This 2023 Newmar Ventana 3407 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 34 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Colfax Decor, Bermuda Glazed Maple Hardwood-HG interior, Sleeps 2, Colorado Detector, air conditioning, refrigerator, Skylight, slideout, self-contained, stove-top burner, TV, awning, auxiliary battery, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features couples coach, front dinette, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Ventana 3407 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins B6.7 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.